easy go.
Hey, what's going up, guys? NA.TV here, Nick and Austin, and today we're back with another speaker video. It's not an unboxing, it's a review, because yeah, I kind of lost all the stuff for them in unboxing anyways. So yeah, but we're gonna review this speaker, what we like about it, what we don't like about it. We're gonna have a bass test on it, because let me tell you, this thing is a bass speaker basically. We're gonna talk about the goods and the bads. But before we start off, if you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Man, it looks like I have a fat cheek. I do not have a fat cheek. That's a... Okay. What was I gonna say?
You're saying subscribe?
Yeah. Go ahead and subscribe if you're new. If you do not have an account, go ahead and go... just look up how to make one, I guess. Or you can just click your account thing up here.
Sign in.
It'll say create account. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And also share this video. We can check if you shared or not, and it'll be disappointing if you didn't share, you know. Yeah. Also, the last video that we did, the speaker that we unboxed and stuff, the link for that speaker is in the description below. Go ahead and go buy you one. I highly recommend that speaker. It's a good speaker if you like don't need a really loud speaker for the $50 ones and the 30 and up stuff.
Light up.
Yeah, if you just want like a cool little speaker for your room or for your little workout, go buy that speaker, because it's a really good speaker, perfect for that. Now this speaker,
The outdoor speaker.
it's an outdoor speaker. I don't see why they put a subwoofer in an outdoor speaker. That makes it quieter but more bass. And this speaker is not too big and not too small. Thing I like about it, catch it. Oh yeah.
It's light.
It's really light. It's like less than a pound. What else?
Bass mode.
There's bass mode, there's like audio mode. I like bass mode because audio mode is too loud. It's too
Sound
loud.
quality.
The sound quality for the speaker itself is good, and you guys can see the subwoofer in there. There's a little light to know that you're connected, but
It makes a little noise when you turn it on.
yeah, it makes a little noise when you turn it on. It'll say Bluetooth mode. It just depends what mode you left off, but it would the first time you turn it on, it would say Bluetooth mode.
Mm-hmm.
It would say it in like a English lady's voice. It was like Bluetooth mode or something. I don't know. Yeah, we're gonna test this out. Really, not test it. We already know. We're just gonna play a song called "Rockstar" by Post Malone, and it's gonna be the clean version because we don't want no official copyright strikes from their freaking
Copyright things, I don't know.
record label company, whoever posted the video originally. Got my little Ferrari pop socket back, bang bang. New hat. Yeah, go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit that like button, share, because it would be disappointing. Again, it would be disappointing if you did not share this video.
Link to the last speaker.
Link to the last speaker is
in the description.
It's not in this description.
Oh.
It's in the other description. Go check out that video.
That speaker is
this speaker. This price on Amazon is really good. This thing originally cost $20, but we have an offer for you. If you guys go ahead and click that subscribe button, you don't really have to, but it's best to. It takes a little bit off the price. You guys can go get this speaker for $9.99 on Amazon right now. Just go ahead and click on that link down there. Buy you this speaker. Let me tell you, it is worth your money. Because what else you guys are gonna buy for $10? Sorry, I couldn't hear you, dude. I really cannot hear you.
Handy.
All right, just stop talking. I can't hear you or thinking, whatever. So yeah, and also the link in this for this song is also down in the description. But the speaker is the most important. So go ahead and go buy one yourself with the link. Go make sure you click the link.
Because straight to Amazon.
It takes you straight to Amazon and straight to this where it says buy now. $9.99. $9.99. Can you hear me? $9.99.
$9.99 or something like that. It's gonna be a really low price.
Yeah, it is $9.99. I'm pretty sure, right?
I think so.
Let me see. Oh my God, it's $9.99. Go check it out right now. The last time we checked, it's an NA Reactions discount. It's on us. You guys go get one yourself. Here we go. Link to this song down below. This is the bass boosted clean version. We don't want to know. I'm gonna see if y'all can see the rumbling kind of. I'm pretty sure you will be able to. You guys can see, you guys can't really see it. Wait. Let's see if y'all can see it in the light, because I don't know if it moves. Yeah, y'all can't really see the difference. Yeah, I guess this cage right here don't move, so it protects the subwoofer.
Wait, set it flat on the table. Is it gonna move? Does it move a little bit?
No, that's perfect. No.
So the case makes it so
the case does not move, and let me tell you, this thing is waterproof. I've dipped it in water before. It didn't do anything to it. It's the same.
Submerge it.
Submerge it, dip it in the water, whatever, same thing. And if you just put a little bit of water on it, it's not going to do anything. If you drop it, wait, I didn't want to drop it on your foot. Oh, here it is. Nothing will happen to it because the I know a lot of subwoofers, I looked it up, and they get damaged if they have something barely even touch them. And this, you can put as much bass as you want, and it would not like do anything to it. So yeah, go buy you one of these with the link down in the description. Hope you guys enjoy this video, but first we want to wish you guys a happy new year. This is the first video.
2018.
Is it the first video of 2018?
Mm-hmm.
This is the first video of 2018. We are starting a new goal, and I am going to put it on a piece of paper on my wall.
What is it, 1,000 subscribers or something?
We're going to try to hit at least 500. At least 500 subscribers.
By the end of the year?
By the end of the year. 500.
I think we can do that.
I think we can do it. It's 0.5K. 0.5K. Just think of it. Putting K in it sounds way better. Just like our last shoe unboxing, the LeBron Soldier 11s. Where they at?
If everyone subscribed to watch that, we would have
1,000
something.
Those. You guys love that video. So next time one of us gets shoes that's worth unboxing and that's very new.
It has like 20 likes.
It has like 20 likes. That's
our most likes.
That's our most likes. We need to beat that with our next video and this video.
We will do all our videos.
All of our videos.
All our videos will be competition.
All our videos. If you guys like a specific, right? Specific, because Pacific is an ocean. If you guys like a specific video. If you guys like a if you guys like a specific video type or any video whatsoever, drop it down in the comment section below right now. We will do another video. If you guys like seeing pranks, we'll go do a prank. Maybe I can order some freaking microphones for us to go far away. Yeah, wireless mics. Yeah, for like you can hear us talking. You all you got to do is clip it onto your shirt and it'll be hidden.
If you buy that speaker, that can help with us.
It'll help, yes. It will help with us because it helps us, helps you, and it helps Amazon, and it helps this brand become more popular and fix our crap.
You think they have like a secret mic in there that hears everything you say?
I don't know. Do you know why these guys need to fix their crap?
Why?
Because there's a freaking bigger one that's like this long, and it has 10 times the amount of bass. But I don't know the link to that.
Wait, we gotta tell.
And it's like $30.
We gotta tell what pros and cons.
The pros and cons.
Pros, bass.
Pros are it's small, it's damage proof. You can't do anything to damage the speaker unless you. I'm playing. It will not hurt it if you do this.
So.
Whoopsies.
Has a lot of bass.
Has a lot of bass, like too much bass. A little bit too much, just a little bit too much. You need to turn that stuff off.
Very portable.
I'm playing. If you guys love bass, link. It's very portable. You just put it in your pocket. I got jeans on right now.
Slip it wherever you go.
Yeah, it's just put it wherever you want. And also, if you guys order it, it will come with a little string right here. And you guys can put the little string, you just put it on your bike or something. Put on your little workout set. Oh, if I can even. It comes with the charger.
Another pro is that a lot of speakers have a lot of bass. If you set them down on the table, they will like
move around, and then they'll fall off, and that could damage the speaker. Oopsies. And it has a little SD card if you guys have a MP3 player or just
play your songs.
Yeah, if you guys just play your songs on anything that has an SD card on it, slip your little SD card up in that little. Wait. Slip it up in there right there. Oh yeah, I use this for unboxing and fishing, so that's why I have a knife. Don't report me. And then that's the charger.
Watch this video get age restricted.
Yeah. Oh my god, but there's videos out there that has people cutting stuff, and yeah, okay, right there, that's a mic. This mic right here is really good.
You might want to open it up if you're talking to someone.
Yeah, I don't know how it works, but probably, most likely. Sorry, a subscriber just texted. Okay. Yeah. Go buy one right now. I'm gonna turn it off and it'll say something. I don't know what it'll say. It'll say something.
Power off.
There you go. You heard the voice. Power off.
Subscribe.
How about you hit it with a little? Oh yeah, I don't know if I said. I probably did. I think I did. Yeah. Happy New Year to everyone. Happy holidays to everyone. I forgot to post a video like I did last year. Whoopsies. Okay.
We need to make a montage of our videos in 2017.
If you guys want to see that, a montage of all of our videos from 2017 and our favorite moments, the funniest moments, the best moments, the stupidest moments, the craziest moments, and
like and subscribe.
Milestones.
Alright, so
let me hit it off with a safe room, but first gotta hit that link and subscribe. Okay, safe room, but